This tutorial shows you how to customize Gmail Conversation View on Windows 11. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. After that, sign in to your Google account. From there, click on the gear icon at the top right. At this point, click on See All Settings. In the next step, stay on the General tab. Following this, scroll down to Conversation View. Once done, select Conversation View On if you want related emails grouped together as one thread. From here, select Conversation View Off instead if you'd rather see every email as a separate individual message. At this stage, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes to apply your selection. Keep in mind, turning Conversation View off can make your inbox look busier since replies and forwards no longer collapse into a single thread. Finally, refresh Gmail once changes are saved to see your inbox reflect the new Conversation View setting. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize Gmail Conversation View on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.